Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good in your life plus in your studies also. So I have made a separate plan for RRB PO prelims as we all were getting less marks in the high level mock test. So I have made a few changes in by using this we can gain our confidence again, okay? And it is very important at this time because the exam is near and we need to gain the confidence to perform well in the examination. So this is the last 5 days strategy and I will tell you what it has. First, there is one prelims mock test of RRB PO prelims, and this mock test will be from Practice Mock 2020 free mock test. Try to attempt the 2020 mock test and the free wala mock test. Okay, so this is the practice mock test target for tomorrow for RRB PO, and there is another mock test also. We will attempt 2 mocks per day, and these will be of exam level as the 2020 mocks are like of good level, so we will try to attempt that. After that, there is math speed test, pre-level quizzes of questions, then there is editorial reading, then current affairs plus revision. And for current affairs, you should not leave current affairs at this time. Try to cover the daily current affairs and try to revise 1 week current affairs on daily basis, as we have to go for the mains examinations also. And for current affairs, I am using Affairs Cloud because in Affairs Cloud the level of current affairs is very good. I will give you the link of current affairs of Affairs Cloud in the description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. Then there is one prelims mock test of RRB PO because, and this is from Practice Mock number 1 of 2020. So what I have done is, after discussing with you all, I opened one mock test of 2020 of RRB PO and I found the level very good. Like it is exact exam level, somewhat high but not that much that it can decrease your confidence. So it will boost your confidence. You will get good marks in the mock test and it will help you to perform well in the examination also. And now I want to discuss about Guidely PDF course with you all. As you all know about that, Guidely launches the PDF course for all the upcoming examinations, and for these days it is running a offer of 50% off on all the PDF courses, and if you use my code then you will get extra 12% off also. Like there will be 62% off on all the PDF courses. So if you are planning to buy the PDF course, then this is the best time to buy that, and the PDFs are available in both languages. And if you have any doubt in any question, then they provide video solutions also. So this is the best time to buy that PDF course if you have any plans to buy that. Okay, I will give you the link of Guidely PDF course in description, and by using my code you will get 12% discount, plus there is 50% discount also. So there is total 62% discount, and it is a great deal at this time. So that's all for tomorrow's mock test challenge, and I will surely share the scores with you from tomorrow because I was also feeling demotivated after attempting the mock test of 2021 from Adda. So from now on we will try to share the scores and we will try to attempt the 2020 mocks. So that's all for tomorrow. I hope you all can complete it, and if you have attempted this mock test already, then you can attempt any other mock test from 2020, like the 6, 7, 8, any mock test, okay? But try to attempt the 2020 mocks. So that is all. Thank you and have a nice day and all the best.